Select company by name. This query trigger enables you to select companies by specifying one of the 6 criteria: the company name, the BSC script IDs, the BSC script codes, the NSC symbols, the MCA CIN codes, or the CMI company codes. Please note that when you click on this query trigger, the master list of all the companies available in the ProwessIQ database loads to incorporate the newly added companies. Let us understand the functioning of this query trigger using an example. Suppose we want to select the company Tata Motors Limited by using the criteria company name from the drop-down option. You need to follow 3 simple steps. The first step is to select the name of the company using either Auto Search or Pattern Search option. Auto Search allows selection of companies by typing the initial characters of the name of the companies. Pattern Search allows selection of companies by typing any part of the name of the companies. Let us use the Auto Search option and type the initial characters of the company TATA. This will list all those companies whose name begins with TATA. You can then add a space followed by the character M after TATA to further refine your search. You will see that the list of matching companies narrows down as you provide clear specifications. Double-click on Tata Motors Limited from the list and your company will be selected in the adjacent box Selected Company Names. The second step is to choose the appropriate domain. There are 2 domains available: All Companies and Companies in Current OSE. The domain All Companies will add or replace the companies in the output sheet with the companies selected using this query trigger. The domain Companies in Current OSE will filter companies available in the output sheet. The third step is to click on the appropriate Execute option to make the selections. Since we have selected All Companies as our domain, we can select any one of the 3 Execute options. These are Add to Current OSE, Send to New OSE, and Replace Current OSE. Add to Current OSE will add the selected list of companies to the output sheet. Send to New OSE will create a new output sheet of selected companies. Replace Current OSE will replace the contents in the current OSE with the selected company names. Let us select the option Send to New OSE. After the query has been successfully executed, the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the New Outputs button and download the output from the output downloader by clicking on Continue. ProwessIQ will then display the company Tata Motors Limited in the output sheet. Please note that the names of companies in the ProwessIQ database are only reasonably close to the official name. They are not necessarily exactly the same as the official name. There are a few systematic deviations, 1 in the use of abbreviations and 2 in the use of acronyms. One important point to note is that you can select up to 2000 companies at one go using this query trigger. If you wish to select more than 2000 companies, then you need to run another query. You can also make user sets of companies using this query trigger. Type HDFC with spaces after each letter. ProwessIQ will display names of 15 companies matching the criteria. Click on the double arrow button to select all the companies in the Selected Company Name box and select the Save as User Set option available in the right bottom of this box. Specify a user set name and save your user set.